Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with a protective style. Yes, this is a headband wig. I've been loving these headband wigs, and this one is by Better Length, and this is the 3A 3B curly unit, and this is 18 inches, and the color is natural color. And I did wash, condition, add some leave-in conditioner, and added some mousse and let this unit air dry before wearing it, okay? And this is exactly how it turned out. The texture is so pretty, and this hair is so soft. Better Length has some of my favorite textured hair, so I was very pleased with how this air dried. I did not experience any shedding or anything, and it's just so pretty. It's so shiny and extremely soft and easy to maneuver through. So this headband unit has 4 combs. It has 2 on the side, 1 at the top here, and there is 1 comb at the nape area. But what I did notice with this wig, there aren't any adjustable straps at the nape on my unit here, so you may have to use some extra bobby pins for extra security when wearing this unit. So this unit does have the Velcro straps, and it does have a nice size to it, so you can adjust this to whatever tightness or looseness that you need. So I am going to use a wig cap. I tend to like to use darker ones when it comes to headband wigs. So I'm just going to pop that bad boy on, and I do have my hair in a low bantu knot in the back, and my hair is nice and moisturized. And I am going to use this headband. My wig came with this headband, so that's where I got this headband from, a nice pink kind of design. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. It's so easy to put on, especially if you're a beginner or you want a nice protective style for the fall winter months because the air is cooler. This definitely will protect your hair. Or if you're a mom on the go, or you're a student on the go, or want a cute quick work wig, this will be perfect for you. So I'm just gonna, adjust the Velcro straps. Now with this wig, which is cute, is you don't have to wear a headband with it, but to jazz it up, of course, adding an accessory makes it even more cute. So this texture here is so pretty, you guys. It feels so good too. This quality of hair by far, in my opinion, is probably the best that I've tested out with all the other headband wigs I've tried out. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have any complaints when it comes to the hair. Only thing with this wig, I do wish it did have the additional adjustable straps near the nape, near the comb area, and I feel like it would make this wig even more perfect. So I'm just gonna slide this wig on. Well, actually the headband on, the wig is already on. So I just slide the headband on to cover the black bands, and it's just super cute. And what's really cute about this hair, you can fluff it up, or you can kind of keep it more defined like this. So it's very versatile. You can blow this this curly hair out on the cool setting and wear it kind of textured straight if you want to. I personally like to fluff the curls out to make the the hair bigger. But it's so natural looking, and it's super cute. So if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to ask me, and all the information about this wig will be down in the description below, along with the promo code for you guys. And I want to let you guys know this length of this wig is 18 inches, and I am 4'11", so it's a really nice natural length and look for this headband unit. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Also, feel free to stick around to check out more videos of me using Better Length extensions here right on my channel.